Fawzan Ibrahim, and I'm a software engineer and a vibe coder. So today's tutorial is a whole new one, and I'd like to explore about how we can use Bolt.New to create amazing UIs that seems almost different from the vibe coded UIs you always see every day. And in the steps that we are going to take, we are going to make use of three tools. We are going to make use of Dribble, Bolt.New, and then of course we are going to use ChatGPT. So in the next seconds, I'm going to show you how to start. First of all, we are going to think of a project idea we want to build. Let's say we want to build an app that people can drop their ideas. So we just name it Brain Dump. So let's start. So over here we have a prompt. Now forgive me for having errors in this prompt, but this is not a full prompt. But I'm going to, first thing we have to do is to look for a UI design, right? And since we don't have a UI designer, we are the one doing the same thing. We are doing it solo. So what you have to do is you head over to Dribble, right? You head over to Dribble and then you look for a design that you admire a lot. So let's just say you saw this particular design. Say, okay, you saw a design like this, and then you think you love the design, so you can just copy the design like this. So you copy the image and then head over to ChatGPT, and then you be using this Snap Prompt GPT. What this Snap Prompt GPT does is it's able to turn your image into a prompt with all the guidelines, the typography and stuff. So let's start. I'm now sending it to it to get the prompt to generate the site. So as you can see, you still do. You can see that we're able to get the prompt from the image. But the problem is this landing page is catered for what we saw on the design on Dribble, but we want to make it reflect our ideas. So what do? We copy the whole prompt and then send it to our chat in ChatGPT. So what we do is we paste it and then say, hey, make it for. So hello guys, now we have the whole prompt. We have the whole prompt. That is replicating our idea, which is brain dump, right? But at first, it used to be a marriage website design. But we've now tweaked the prompt. So what you have to do now is head over to Bolt.New and then paste the prompt over there. So we are going to paste the prompt here. So paste the prompt and then we'll see what we have now. We have this landing page, which is not bad. But one mistake we did was we should have added the image itself attached to the prompt to use as an inspiration so that we can get the complete feel of it. So here is what you are going to do. You are going to copy the design image and then paste it over here once again, and then tell it to use this as inspiration. So let's see. Now I know so many of you are even thinking about how this design came about and stuff. Maybe we were not able to get the exact same matching for the design. But I think this is a very good start, and then you can leverage this way of creating the UIs. You no longer need a designer by default to start, right? So if you know how to write code, this is the same framework that I've used to create most of my projects that has won me um 2+ hackathons to date. So this is basically what I do. I get the design and then send it to Snapshot GPT, get the design prompt and then paste it on both. That's what I literally do. Thank you guys. Let me know if this helps you for a long way. My name is Fauzan again, and you can subscribe to my channel for the next videos and more. Thank you.